These niggas wanna know what it tastes like. What it tastes like, yo, what it tastes like, yo. They wanna know what it tastes like, yo. All this ice, it just tastes like snow. Get kimonos and let's fly to Tokyo. Pretty, pretty, please, baby, won't you have this for me?
Hey pretties, welcome back to my channel, period. I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be my first time shipping items using POSHMARK. This is not sponsored, but I just wanted to show you guys what I'm doing. You guys can just follow along with me if you guys is new to this too, like I am. So I figured I'd show you guys what I'm doing. Maybe you guys take some tips from me. Maybe you guys can, I'm sorry, I talk really fast. Maybe you guys can take some tips from me. Maybe you guys can give me some tips as well, because I need some, because girl, I have to ask mad people today what to do. But I have like the shipping labels. I have like the shipping labels and everything because POSHMARK just sent them to me. Because POSHMARK just emailed them to me. All I do is just print it out. So you're gonna need a printer, which I don't have. So you better get that. And I need printer labels. Well, when I start my own company, because you're gonna start her own company soon. Stay tuned for that because baby girl. I just can't wait. But if you guys want to know my POSHMARK is, it's kind of hard for people to find it, as I can see right now. Oh my gosh. It's kind of hard for people to find my POSHMARK. But it's at pretty_icy with 2 Y's. I'm going to put it on the screen. And also, I'll leave the link down below. Yeah, but it's really easy to just sign up and stuff. But I know it's really hard to find people because when I was trying to find other YouTubers that I wanted to buy from, it was really hard too. Sorry, my lamp was all tilted and whatnot. But what I like about POSHMARK is they actually like gave me the shipping labels. All I gotta do is just cut it, obviously, and that's it. Because it says that I already paid for it, basically. That's what my teacher told me too, because he was helping me as well, my advisor. So shout out to you, Mr. Flores. You probably know you watch my videos, but shout out to you because you helped me, because your girl was kind of struggling. Because I've been asking a lot of people and everybody keeps talking about, oh, I do it on eBay, you should use eBay. I'm like, I don't want to use eBay, I want to use POSHMARK. Like, everybody keeps telling me make a POSHMARK, not an eBay account. Like, I have everything on my bed. So here's my POSHMARK, guys. If you guys want to check it out, you guys should check it out and buy some. Sorry, I'm itching. You guys check it out and buy my stuff because, baby girl, I got some cute things for affordable prices. So, and also, like I said, it's pretty_icy. I put it on top of the screen. Like, people keep saying they can't find me, but it's literally right there. But I understand what you mean, so I'm going to put the link in the description box. Oh my gosh, I'm getting hives. My skin gets really irritated to clothes when I wear it for too long. I don't know why. When somebody buys something from you, it's gonna say sold without you even confirming that you want to give it to them. Like, it just says sold automatically, and it will automatically just send you the shipping label like in your email. It's a PDF, and all you gotta do is just tap on it and then save it to your drive and then print it out. For people that want me to promo their stuff, my email is I'm put that on screen too, but and it's always down below in the description box, unless I forget to add my socials, which I always remember most of the time. But yeah, that's where like my business stuff goes, and basically everything, like people that want to promo me, like African Mall, Soulfield Jewelry, stuff like that. So they send that to me, right? But I had to save it to my drive, then send it to my send the email to my teacher so he could print it out for me because I don't have a printer, like I said. So it was a lot because I want to do it today because it's a 2-day shipping, and they said they want us to at least do it by 2 days. And shipping is not when you get it. A lot of people don't understand that. Shipping is you actually like handling shipping. Like, that's actually you trying to put it together and put it in a box or whatever, the envelope, whatever it is. And the business days is how long it's going to take. Shipping is not when you're going to get it. Like, when it says shipping 1 to 2 days, that means how long it takes them to actually like get your item and package it up for you and take it to the post office. So that's when people get confused at. It's not the other way around. But okay, like somebody bought this jacket for me. I have one just like this. So if I wear this again, like on Instagram or something, I have 2 of these. So relax. I did not not give the person. They're gonna know that they got it, but you know what I mean. I have 2 of these. One from Busan and one from African Mall. So obviously I'm giving them one because I don't need both. So yeah, I sold this for $22. On POSHMARK, I ended up making $18. So POSHMARK takes a little proportion because hello, they're helping you sell the clothes. At least not taking half of it. And they're giving you the shipping label without you even stressing about it. So at least you do is just give them some money. Somebody also brought a bodysuit for me. And all these clothes, like most of the clothes I'm selling, I never wore. Like everything that I just sold, I never wore at all. Like literally. And all the clothes back there that I'm going to show you guys, these are all clothes I want to sell. And I have way more stuff I want to sell. I know I do. Because I don't wear everything in that freaking closet. My closet is packed. It's ridiculous. It's this bodysuit with the little eyelashes on it. I really wanted it to fit me, but it doesn't fit me. So I'm selling this. Like, I sold this for, I think, $8 or $10. I don't really remember. But I paid like $15. So I want to make sure you guys get it cheaper than what I paid for. That's obvious. Like, and also I sold this fanny pack for $10. It's really cute. It comes with a little strap and then this floral detailing. This is from African Mall. This was like paid sponsorship. So like they sent this to me, but the original pricing, I think it's like $15, $20. I sold this for like $10. But obviously I got $8 from it, which is still good. Sorry, my window's open. It's too hot to have it not open. But we're gonna start printing the labels right now. I think I said printing the labels. I meant to say cutting out the labels, because my teacher, he told me, this is a tip for you guys as well, that you cannot put tape over the USPS tracking number. Well, good thing it's not in focus because I don't want you guys to see the address, but it's a little bar. There's this bar right here, basically, and it's basically for the people that work at the USPS to scan the package, so they know they could like you know, when you're tracking an item, it's gonna show that they scanned it, they're transferring it to the next facility, whatever the case may be. So he told me to make some space, like at least this much. So that's what I'm gonna do. It even has a little POSHMARK thing, so that's really cute to me. But like I said, just fold it. If you're not a good cutter like me, which I'm doing right now. Like I said, it's my first time like ever doing this, so if I'm doing something wrong, please let me know down below. Don't try to be like all rude about it and be like, girl, why are you even doing this? This is not how you do it. That looks dumb. No, say like, oh, you should do this instead of that, or just a tip. Like, be nice, because I don't like when people be rude. Because I don't know how you texting, but this is how mine is now. As you guys can see, I cut it. And I know I should show you the guys this in the beginning, but I'm going to show you guys it now. I went to Staples after school, and I brought me like the stuff for the stuff that I'm selling, the items. Sorry, my boyfriend was calling me, like, excuse me, I'm doing a video. Decline. Anyways, so I got the the package and stuff that I need for like the 3 items that I'm selling. So the box, as you guys can see, it's a small box. It says small box, is rectangular. I think they have a cube one, but all I saw was rectangular at the store I went to. And I'm not good at sizes, but my friend told me Michaela, she boxes. You know, you guys know Michaela. She boxes stuff, I guess. She said she used to box stuff for a living. She was just playing around, like, hopefully. But she was like, when you fold it, actually gets smaller than what it actually is. Because at first I was like, this big thing for this, like, this is mad big for this. Like, it looked kind of big for this. Like, let's be honest. Like, it can't even fit in the freaking frame. I gotta move back. See what I'm saying? But she told me when I actually folded, it actually gets smaller. And I noticed that. I was like, duh. But I think this box is like $169. So I got the receipt. Actually, it was $1.99, but that's still not bad. It's $1 for a box. Like, come on. Well, $2. I'm bugging for a box. Like, come on. So I'm using this box to package one of the items, the coat right there. It also brought me the envelope thing that everybody buys. I'm gonna buy me cuter ones online. So if you want to shop for me, your girl will soon have cuter ones. Okay, so if you're getting these right now, if you shop with me after this, then you're gonna get better ones. But I want to make sure you guys get your items, so I had no choice to get these, like just plain white ones that's plastic. Like this one, I have some jeans I'm selling, so if anybody want to buy my jeans, I'll put it in this one. And the sizes, oh yeah, so the size for this one was 12 by 9 by 9, the small box. I honestly just eyeballed it. I really don't know. I got 8.5 by 11 inches. And all these are 6 by 9s. And everybody always gets 6 by 9s for all the packaging. Honestly, it's the most popular size to get. It's for the fanny pack. So hopefully it fits. Because I low-key forgot to buy a box for the fanny pack. So hopefully it's going to fit for the fanny pack. Okay? And this was all $129 because I got more than 5. I got 5 or more. Then I also got some moving and storage tape because it was cheaper than the shipping and packaging tape. Because I could get a whole bunch of this, like a big tape. But this was only, how much is this? I need to stop guessing prices. This is only $2.99, but the little small ones that's supposed to be for packaging and whatever, shipping, was $3 something. Like, hell no, get out my face. So, we got her, because obviously you need tape. Like, how you gonna put the shipping label thingies on without the tape? So let's start. I'm gonna just cut out the rest. I can't wait till I start my own company. I'm gonna be so happy. I want to sell eyelashes. I know everybody sells eyelashes, but I love eyelashes. Y'all know I love eyelashes, so like it makes no sense for me not to. Leave it to the people like me, because I actually wear them. Alright guys, so I already had the old little packaging for this because I got this bodysuit like a whole year ago. So it has a little bodysuit with the small on it because it's a bodysuit in a small. So what I'm going to do is just package it up. And then I'm going to put it back and when I got it from. I'm going to take one of the small ones like this. And just adhesive off and just seal it. So here's one. Oh, but I forgot who brought this one, so let me go check. I don't know how to put them all together, so I don't even probably like, are you at this point? Why? Like, yeah, I know. But anyways, pretty sure it's like this. I know my shit. I learned how to do packaging last year for SYP, so this should not be hard for me because I had the bigger ones. Shit. We did it! Period. Oh my god, you guys are following me like really following me on this. God damn it. So here's this one. I have a Ziploc for this one too. Even though this didn't come with it, I just like found one in my closet because, yeah. You guys always make sure it looks good. Obviously. Just gonna fold it. Put it in the Ziploc bag. I want to know I'm handling it with care, you know. Alright guys, like I said, I always like take the air out. Now I'm just gonna place it inside of the bead. And boom. Raven bought this one. Hey boo. I don't know where this goes for this one. I think it goes at the top, like on the side. That's what I think I'm gonna do. And I don't have no double-sided tape. But like I said, you cannot put tape over this because you don't want this to like be covered. You know who you are because you bought this, so. We did it. I'm gonna take this part off, so I'm gonna just put it inside the fanny pack for the girl. Yo, she dead gonna be like, where my strap at? How she give me the fanny pack without the strap? This one I don't have a bag for. I'm just gonna put it inside. The adhesive, so. Your husband say I'm looking like a host. Oh. Yeah, guys, I packaged everyone. As you guys can see, I just gotta put the label on this one, but I'm scared. Freak it. Let's just put it at the top. All the items, period. We lit. But now I'm gonna show you guys the items that I'm selling that I'm gonna like add to my Poshmark like literally after I finish this video. So, and I literally got more items to add. Like, y'all don't understand. Hope you guys are excited because summer is coming. The first piece I got here is this cute little denim, yeah, this is a denim skirt. It's this cute little pink acid wash denim skirt. It's really cute, but I can't fit it, so. It's mad cute, it's in size small. All my clothes are in size small, so I'm really sorry for people that are like bigger sizes. I really apologize. It's not my fault, you know, like I buy it for me to have, not to actually sell it all the time, so. I need my Popeye. Next skirt I got last year as well, but I can't fit it. But it's so cute. I freaking hate that I can't wear this. But it has like a little white stripe. Oh yeah, I never wore this and I never wore this. It's all black and it has a white stripe on both sides. It's mad cute. But yeah, looks like this. It's just black. Next item is another skirt. As you guys see, it's brand new. Hello. This one just got the tag on it. These ones, they didn't come with a tag actually. This is actually for Forever 21, but I can't fit it. It was $19.90. But it's so. I want to wear some I wanted to wear this on my birthday last year, but I wore a different skirt because that skirt fit me better than this one. This is actually mad cute. Like, what the freak. But anyways, it's a size 25, so I'm pretty sure that's a small.
I don't want you on my page, Blockiana. Flow tailor-made like Tiana. They copying my style, Copiana. Roger that, Copiana. Benny Hanna to Katana. Bitch, I've been a Donna. He screaming my government. Oh, Nika Tanya. You look like Nicki now. Still, you Tatiana. To keep it 100, bitch, you Wakiana.